back to my channel. My name is Dani and today I'm here with my very first Skin-Fatuation video, which is in partnership with Ulta Beauty. So from now on, once a month, I'm gonna come to you with a skincare trend. Something that is super trendy, something that is super popular. I'm gonna give you guys some of my favorite beauty products that fit in the trend that you could find at your local beauty stores or online. And I'm gonna tell you why I like them so much. So this is how it's gonna work. Every month, Ulta's decided to focus on a skincare trend, hence Skin-Fatuation. I'm gonna present the trend to you, but I'm also going to pick a few of my favorite products to share with you and how they fit in this trend. The best part about all of this is that you guys get to enjoy a few of my favorite products from every single video. So in this video, we're gonna talk about masks. And I don't know if you noticed, but I got a box of stuff here, but then I also have a box of brand new products back there. And those are all really awesome masks that need to find a loving home. So what we're gonna do every month is we're gonna cover a really awesome skincare trend. This month for February, we're gonna talk about masks. Ulta's gonna be doing awesome promos with them. Like always, all of the products that I mention will be linked in the description box below. So if you're like, I wanna know about that mask Dani talked about, there is a link there. If you wanna adopt that lonely box of masks back there, then you probably want to check the description box below as well. So I'm super excited to be doing this campaign with you guys. So every single month there's going to be a new skincare trend that I'll present to you guys. I'll share a few of my favorite products and I'll tell you why I love them and I'll show you what they're all about and why they're so cool. After all, our makeup doesn't look half as good as it can if we don't take care of the foundation, you guys. So skincare is super, super important. We're never too young or too old to start taking care of our skin, right? So our first trend or our first focus is going to be masks. And you guys know I talk about masking all the time. In fact, I'm starting to think it might be a little bit of a problem, but a very good problem to have. So let's jump right in. The very first one that I want to talk to you guys about was featured in my monthly favorites. I can't get enough of this mask. It's amazing. This is a new mask by Philosophy. It is a clay mask and it's called the Pore Extractor. Now this is a white clay mask and it's really cool because they suggest that you actually apply this on dry skin so that it really leaves an even layer. You let it dry, and then if you actually want it to be multi-purpose, you add a layer, you let it dry, and then you go in with like your damp fingers and just kind of dampen it a little bit, and then exfoliate your skin with the little granules that are in the mask. So it's one of those multi-purpose mud masks that are really gonna make a difference. I use it once a week, but when I started using the product, I used it twice a week to kind of just get rid of all that gunk on my skin. You guys, it is really, really awesome. It was in my monthly favorites for a reason. Another one of my favorite mud masks. Now this has been a favorite for a very long time, but it may look a little different to you guys. So the Origins Clear Improvement Mask looks like this now, but you might remember it looking like this. It just had a change of outfit, you guys. It was like, you know what? New year, new me, and it changed its outfit. It's one of the best mud masks I've ever used, especially if you guys have issues with like pores, clogged pores, or you really just want to like suck everything out of there. This is one of those really, really great masks. Not only does it purify your pores or really get in there and get all the gunk out, but it also removes all environmental toxins from the skin. So in a few, I would say if you consistently use it, you could use it up to twice a week, you'll start to see visible changes in like the size or texture of your pores. A mask that I've been really enjoying trying out because it's kind of a hybrid mask. So this is the Peter Thomas Roth Irish Moor Mud Purifying Black Mask. So this is one of those masks that's gonna tone and refine your skin. It's gonna minimize the appearance of pores. It's also going to help with anti-aging, but it's also hydrating. So I feel like this is one of those masks, and let me show you. This is one of those masks that if you're like super on the run and you don't have a lot of time to do a hydrating mask and then an anti-aging mask and then a mud mask, this is one of those masks that's like, I got you, girl. I got you on all angles. It's a really good kind of like all-in-one type mud mask. Speaking of cool, this is the I Do Care Disco Kitten Illuminating Diamond Peel Off Mask. Now you guys are probably like, wait, what are you talking about, Dani? Let me show you guys. This is a peel off mask, and when you see the color of it, you're gonna be like, I need that all over my face. It's like pearlescent, opalescent. It's really runny. It's like something you've probably never seen. This is a peel off mask and it's for brightening the skin and just bringing sort of like healthy illumination or glow to it. So it's a peel off mask, and I don't know if you guys can tell how like glimmery, shimmery, it's just an opalescent, beautiful illuminating mask, but it is a peel off mask. So you want to do a very even layer all around your face, and it's going to brighten and illuminate your skin. And like all peel off masks, it's going to remove all surface level impurities. And I actually think this mask has vitamins that are extra healthy for the skin, but I don't know, when it comes down to Korean beauty masks, I love them because they're brightening and they do definitely bring like this glow to your skin. Speaking of peel off masks, this is the Formula 1006 Be Berry Clear Illuminating Peel Mask with raspberry and acai. Now, like all peel off masks, they're going to remove surface level impurities, or if you have any like dry skin, it's gonna peel that right off. But this one primarily focuses on calming flare-ups, which I know a lot of us tend to have, especially in the winter, and it also smooths the skin. So when you look at it, it's a very light pink, like gelatinous mask. Let me show you guys. So you do a really thin layer, and this one smells really, really good. I'm a fan. I just had to get a good whiff in there. I'm a fan of peel off masks. I just feel like they're so satisfying. I'm like, I don't know if it's actually doing anything except removing my mustache, but I'm okay with that too. They're just so satisfying, right? You just put it on and you let it dry, and then you're like, ripping off your skin. But this one does calm flare-ups, so it's a lot more of a gentler peel off mask. And the final two products are two sheet masks. So you guys know I'm a fan of sheet masks. You'll find sheet mask mentions or videos all over my channel. This one is from Tony Moly. This is the first brand that I ever tried when it came down to sheet masks, and they have the most affordable types. If you guys are interested in wetting your toes, Ulta has a really great variety of these Tony Moly masks. This one here is for pore care. So it focuses on the health of your pores, whether it's tightening them or purifying them. It will help out with that. I like sheet masks because I feel like cleanup is a breeze. You just put it on, take it off, and go to bed. You know what I mean? They don't require rinsing. They don't require washing or scrubbing or extra exfoliation. You literally just wash your face, put it on, leave it on for 20 minutes, take it off, and you're done. This one here, on the other hand though, this is a bubbling sheet mask. If you guys have never tried one of these, you're like, what? When you do try it, they're really, really awesome. This is from the Ulta Beauty store brand, and it's a bubbling mask. So basically what happens, it's almost like a carbonated mask. When you put it on your face, it literally starts bubbling up all over your face, and you're like, what is happening? Don't worry, you're safe. It's actually a really, really, really awesome experience. It feels very refreshing. I actually really enjoy bubbling sheet masks, but the reason that I like this one in particular is because it has papaya extract, which A, is exfoliating and it's brightening, and it also has hyaluronic acid, which is really, really great for plumping up the skin and making it look very bright, glowy, and just very hydrated. So there you have it, a few of my favorite masks available at your Ulta Beauty stores and online. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget that every month I'm going to come to you with a very new Skin-Fatuation trend. Who knows what March will be? I actually already know, but I'm not telling you yet, so that you hold on to your seats and wait in excitement. Now, if you want to be a part of this excitement, don't forget that this video is also a giveaway, just like every single month. All the products that I show you are also going to be in a giveaway. So in the description box below, you'll find a link with all of the products that I mentioned. You will also find a link on how you can adopt this lovely, beautiful box of super lonely masks to come to your loving home. I have officially have a purified, pore tightened, brightened, anti-aging, beautiful forearm from the awesome mask that I showed you guys. Anyway, I love you guys so much, and you know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye guys!